Hi, this is Malik. Today we'll talk about Ayurvedic wisdom and digestive health. Yesterday in the evening, approximately at 8 p.m., I had eaten Gujarati food, khaman dokla, three pieces of khaman dokla, and within matter of minutes, I developed digestive discomfort and pain. And I waited for few minutes for it to reduce discomfort and pain to reduce digestive discomfort and pain to reduce, but it was not working. Then I did something which was profoundly helpful. I'll share what I did at the end of this video. Now, let me share with you why digestive health is so important. 70% of immune system of human body is in wall of our digestive tract. Highest number of hormone secreting cells in human body are in our digestive tract. To a great extent, our psychological health depend on health of our digestive system. What Ayurvedic principle calls Yatha Annam Tatha Manam, literally translated to English, quality of our food equals quality of our psychological makeup or quality of our mood. This is so true because two new fields in nutritional psychiatry known as metabolic psychiatry and nutritional psychiatry focus primarily on digestive health. How true ancient rishis were when they had stated quality of our food equals quality of our psychological makeup. Yatha annam tatha mannam. Now, I'll share with you why digestive tract health is again important. To a great extent, health of our brain depends on our healthy digestive system because of gut-brain axis. So, healthy immune system, healthy hormonal system, healthy psychological health, and healthy brain depends to a great extent on health of our digestive tract. That is why digestive health is so important for healthy and long life. Now let me share the remedy I used for relief from digestive discomfort and digestive pain I had developed yesterday. After developing digestive discomfort and digestive pain after eating small pieces of khaman dhokla, I did after waiting for 15-20 minutes. What I did was I had taken plain glass of water, moderate quantity of turmeric powder, moderate quantity of ginger powder, and slightly for the namesake triphala powder. And after drinking it in less than 5 minutes, all the digestive discomfort and digestive pain disappeared. Turmeric powder, ginger powder, and triphala powder, the synergistic impact on digestive health is powerful. All of them keep our digestive tract healthy. They interact with microbiome in our digestive tract, more than 30 trillion microorganisms in our digestive tract. Not only that, they keep wall of our digestive tract healthy. They increase production of short chain fatty acids in our digestive tract. So this is what I did after developing digestive discomfort and pain. I had taken less than half teaspoon of turmeric powder, less than half teaspoon of ginger powder, and triphala powder for the namesake, and it healed my digestive discomfort and pain in less than 5 minutes. This is the powerful impact of Ayurvedic medicine. In order to keep your digestive healthy, use turmeric powder, ginger powder, and triphala powder in milk and add little bit of black pepper powder for better absorption. Little days are little seeds. They grow up as flowers or weed. छोटे छोटे कर्म छोटे छोटे बीजों की तरह होते हैं. वो या तो फूल बनकर खिलते हैं या बिन ज़रूरी के पौधे और कांटे बनकर. Bible says, "My people were destroyed because of lack of knowledge." This is so true. And in the scripture says, "Vidya Parambalam," knowledge is supreme power. Use power of knowledge and information I have shared with you in order to stay healthy and live a long healthy life. This is Malik. Have a great day.